Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on the 220 Dauntless. This boat just arrived. It's a 2025 model. Beautiful boat, guys. It's got the solid white hull. It's got the white rub rail with the stainless insert with the Boston Whaler red graphics on the side. This boat is powered with the Mercury 250 V8. Plenty of power for this boat. You'll see it's got the trim tabs here on the back as well. Nice telescoping swim ladder that opens up from this swim platform on the back. Let's climb aboard and take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the 220 Dauntless. Let's take a look at the bow. You'll see that we've got the full bow cushion on here. You've got your anchor locker and another storage locker located underneath. You've got cup holders on the side, 0-degree rod holders up front, and this is already rigged for a trolling motor, for a 36-volt trolling motor as well. You'll see this full-size coffin box, guys. Plenty of room for two adults, an adult and a child to sit here with these beautiful drop-down armrests. Plenty of room inside as well. This is actually so you can take your fishing rods, shoot them through here, so when you're trailering, rod storage, dedicated ice box, life jackets, however you want to use it, as well as a great seat. Let's walk towards the back, take a look at the helm. You'll see this boat is equipped with the 12-inch Simrad JL audio. All your switches, you have USB ports, you have a wireless phone charger, and Ritchie compass. Taking a look at your lean post, you'll see you have the drop-down bolsters and these armrests as well. Very comfortable. On the back side, you have a live well. Painted blue, circulating with a light. You also have storage here for tools. Additional rod holders, rocket launchers on the top of the T-top, T-bag storage for life jackets and additional gear. All the way in the back, you have these flip-up seats. Some of the best riding seats in the house. Guys, for more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you. Have a great day.